college students, and we're over 21, and yet we're drinking Diet Coke. It's because Berkeley fucking closed. Because it's my birthday tomorrow, and I'm gonna get really fucking trashed. But who cares, my birthday. Oh, that was a good one! Okay. That was a good multiple things. No, shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up! I win! Okay, that was quite serious. I'm quite impressed. Now, I can do the alphabet, I don't think. Okay. Shut the fuck up! Okay, so, couple things. We want you to send in your video responses with some really rad burps. Also, it is her birthday this weekend, so also send in some birthday messages for my friend Jen here. I think that'd be really cute. I'm a fan. That's true. Please do. It's a burping contest. I want to make this one real serious. So, yeah, send in your video responses. Jen. Well, it's 4 in the morning. I'm kind of tired. No, really. Oh. Jen. You guys don't... You understand! It's like... It smells literally like poop mixed with salsa. I'm pretty sure. Salsa verde. I can smell the verde. It's actually... Right now, it's burning my nostrils. That's how bad... Well, have some sexy hair